Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can adjust microphone volume in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right down corner, click speaker setup and advanced setup. Right here when you got here, go recording, and I have see here microphone HD Pro webcam. And then when I'm going to click on it, I'm going to see levels here. And then you go and increase the levels. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. So again, recording, right click, properties and levels. Have a great day everybody. And yeah, goodbye.